it's your boy K-SWAB. You're watching ATL on Fire, and you wouldn't believe who I have in the house today. Please reintroduce yourself to the people.
Gary Hines, music director of the three-time Grammy Award-winning Sounds of Blackness.
Definitely. We have some questions for you. I hope you got a little bit of time, but we like to know, what inspired you to start Sounds of Blackness, and, what really inspired you to do that?
Definitely God inspired my brother, and this year is our 53rd anniversary, and we'll be celebrating that June 7th at the college that we began at, my alma mater, Macalester College here. But really, the motivation for Sounds of Blackness 53 years ago is the same as it is today. And our number one goal is to glorify God by uplifting and educating people about Black music and culture. So we're in the movement, we're about the movement, in the struggle. So it's not just art for art's sake. So it's always about the people, about our history, culture from Africa to America.
Definitely. I guess, how does Sounds of Blackness blend various music genres, including gospel, R&B, and soul? How do y'all blend that? How is it possible?
Well, first of all, to keep in mind, Brother K-SWAB, these are all members of the same family, whether it's hip